You ever looked at your Honda Shadow VT600 and thought, well, bike's looking pretty good, but the ass could use a little more sass?
Oh my.
I've been there. And today I'm gonna introduce to you the magic pill that will turn your frumpy ass dump truck into chopper gold. So hold on to your leather chaps, boys, because after 20 years of chopping a crap load of bikes, I'm gonna show you how I get more badass chopper with less spending. Very important, because looking cool really shouldn't cost a fortune unless you are trying to impress the strippers. And I mean, at that point, you're gonna have to pony up for that $5,000 bottle of Cook's. And guess what? Even after all that champagne, those dudes down at the Manhole Gentlemen's Club, they still won't let me touch their balls.
What's in the box? Not till you give me
What's in the box? What's in the box? Now this kit isn't just some random assortment of shit that I threw in a box, okay?
Really big sunglasses.
Bicorn, rubber chicken.
It's actually a carefully curated collection of badass parts that I personally designed over the last 10, 20 years. I obviously didn't design the nuts and bolts, but this kit is put together specifically to fit your VT600, the 88 through 07 models. Whether you want to run with a mono strut or a full hardtail, you don't have to hunt all over the website, hoping you find the right parts, hoping they work together to build that dream bike. So here's what you'll find inside. First up is the sissy bar. You can choose to ride with or without the classic straight up sissy bar, depending on your style and how much beer you need to haul. Next up is gonna be the hardtail or mono strut option. Now you can opt for the traditional weld-in hardtail 50%. This guy for that rigid old school feel. It's extremely heavy.
Heavy is good. Heavy is reliable. If it doesn't work, you can always hit me with it.
Or you can go with the mono strut, this little guy right here. You're gonna wanna go with this option if your fab skill level really doesn't go farther than assembling IKEA furniture.
These instructions are a pictographic representation of the least imaginative way to assemble these components. This right here is why Sweden has no space program.
Now next up is the bolt-on battery box. The bolt-on battery box is gonna hold the ultra-lightweight AG801 battery. It's gonna keep your battery secure and out of sight, maintaining a nice, clean chopper aesthetic. Now I recommend upgrading to the AG801 battery because it cuts the weight of your battery by 10 pounds. That's a lot of dead weight and a lot of weight that's keeping you from going faster. I personally use the AG801s on all my VT600s, and that is why I have chosen to include this battery box for that specific battery in this kit. Next up is the world famous curb bobber fender, made right here in our very own shop. It perfectly hugs your rear wheel. This is just gonna add to the custom look and feel of that bike. Super sturdy, 13 gauge steel. It's a fantastic fender and my personal favorite. You might be asking yourself why I use 13 gauge steel for these fenders, and the reason being, I wanted a fender that was gonna stand the test of time. I got a lot of fenders out there over the years that were very, very thin. We're talking 16, maybe 18 gauge steel. It's just not enough thickness to support the weight of your mom's ass. Next up is gonna be the fender mounting kit. The fender mounting kit that's included in this has all the brackets and hardware you're gonna need for a sturdy and precise fit. They're laser cut, tumbled, ready for you guys to paint or leave raw for that weathered look. This is gonna be the parts you'll get if you choose to opt out of a mono strut. If you go with the 50% hardtail kit, you're gonna need these guys. Now next up is the license plate mount. You do not really need one, but I guess if you're particular about collecting tickets.
I changed lanes in the intersection. I changed lanes without signaling while running a red light and speeding.
I think they're awards that tell people how good I am at driving like a badass. Now you can choose between a slim fit license plate bracket right here, or a modular one that you can fit horizontally or vertically. These two components just swap places and you've got a horizontal or vertical mount. Now some cops can be whiny bitches, so please make sure you know your local laws and regulations. I have to say that stuff. Now the next thing that's very important about this kit is the electronics tank. This neatly houses your bike's electronics and is gonna allow you all the room you need to relocate switches off of your bars. Now that's gonna take your bike even further to chopper status. It even includes our patented coil mounts, making sure those coils stay cool and secure. Now a little bit more on this E-tank. This is really important and there's a lot of thought and care that's gone into designing this. If you want to relocate your switches, we actually have a video for how to do that. If you want to learn how to upgrade your ignition wiring and relocate those coils, got a video for that. In fact, I have a video for how to install almost everything here. And if you see something on the site that you don't see a video for, let us know in the comments so we can make sure we get that stuff made for you guys. Now I've gone over all these parts, right? And the Max Rear and Bobber kit is all about your personal style. So whether you're aiming for a full hardtail look, you're gonna bust out the MIG welder, you're going for it, or just some mild modifications, this kit's options will allow you to build the bike that you are stoked to ride. This is the perfect kit to finish off the rear end of that bike. You've got your tank, your exhaust, your bars, You're dialed, now you got to address that swing arm. This is the kit for you. Now, you do not need a degree in mechanical engineering to install this kit. It's designed for straightforward and simple installation using very basic tools, so you can spend less time in the garage drinking beer and more time on the road drinking beer. These parts are crafted from high quality materials. Each component is designed to withstand the rigors of the road. If you guys are interested in these products individually, they do have reviews on their pages, or if you want to head over to the forum, you have questions about the parts, fitment, post up on there and ask some opinions. We got people on there chatting every day. Obviously, I'm up here talking about some shit I made, so it's a little biased, obviously. And I always encourage you guys to do your own research and listen to your nuts. Do they tickle when you think about this kit? Gentlemen, that's not jock itch. That is a sign from the chopper gods. Now, if you guys are interested in this kit, you can go to tjbrutalcustoms.com, search for Max rear end kit, or you can click the link down below in the description. Now, if you guys are interested in me making other parts for makes, models, other designs, love to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comments. I will be chatting with you.